This screencast will demonstrate how you can design and brand your course shell using the customization tools available to you in Blackboard. Under the Control panel, select Customization and then select Teaching Style. From here, you can select your course structure, although I don't recommend making any changes. I'm sure that you've noticed since the upgrade, the most recent upgrade, your course may look a little bit different. If you'd like to go back to the way the course environment looked prior to the upgrade, you can select Blackboard Learn Default, and that will bring you back to the way the course looked prior to the upgrade. But you don't have to do that. Next, you'll set your course entry point. It should be set to announcements by default. Thirdly, you can go through the Blackboard generated themes and select a theme that you feel will help to design and brand your course environment. Make sure that you don't choose a theme that's too distracting or cumbersome. Next, you can set your menu style. You could have your menu set as just text or as buttons. I do prefer the buttons. If you want to change the color of the buttons, you can enter the button library, expand that option. You can search for buttons that are patterned, striped, or solid. You could have rounded, rectangular, or rounded corners, rectangular, or rounded ends. Select the color button that you'd like. You can set your course menu display. I think a list view is the most intuitive, but you could select a folder view if you'd like, see how that looks. I display both icon and text. And here's where you would set your banner image. You would select browse my computer, and you would browse your files for the image file. So you need to upload an image file such as a JPEG or .gif. You cannot upload a Word file or an internet URL. You need to have the picture or the image rather saved to your computer. Once you've selected all of your settings and you feel you've designed and branded your course, you can select Submit. You can also, if you want to do this using the Quick Setup Guide, under Customization and just above Teaching Style, which is the option we selected earlier, you can select Quick Setup Guide and quickly go through and make these settings, choosing a structure, choosing a theme. And you can also learn more about your course. Blackboard has some tutorials that they've created, and if you select on one of the categories here, the tutorials will launch in a new window. You just need to make sure that you have pop-ups available, and you can also scroll through and find more related tutorials.